If you are one of those who enjoy working out, you enjoy exercise, specifically walking, this video is for you because I'm going to be revealing an app that is ready to pay you just for walking. It is a true app. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you a way in which you can earn money literally walking. Is that something that you enjoy? And maybe right now you don't enjoy it, but believe me, if you're getting paid to do so, you are going to be creating a really good habit. It's going to be helping you with your health. So let me share with you everything because I want to make sure that we're actually on the same page. Okay. The app that I'm going to be talking about today, it's this one. It's called Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is an app that, as far as I remember, it has been around since 2022. Okay, so it's not a brand new app. It has been around for some time right now. It's true. They pay you, you know, just for walking. It is actually available on Android and iOS. Okay. Previously, when they get started, they were tracking everything with your GPS. Okay, the GPS that you already have in your phone, that's the way how they actually track it. So you can only move outdoors. Okay, nowadays, technology changed, everything changed. It says here, walk and earn exclusive rewards. Every step counts, literally. Okay, so now it doesn't matter. It is an outdoor walking that you're doing or you're walking indoor. It's on the top three of the health and fitness apps worldwide. And in most countries, is the number one app. Okay. It's going to help you track your progress. So you're going to get personalized movement and health stat to keep you on track. So if you want, to reach the 10,000 steps goal, definitely this app is going to help you and it's going to pay you for that. Okay, it's going to be a long-lasting habit. As I mentioned before, it says research provides it. Sweatcoin users walk 20% more even 6 months later. So look, money is actually important and health is way more important. Okay. So creating a great habit, it's something that is going to help you for a really, really long time. Okay. So you are going to be here earning money and you're also going to be, improving your health. Chances are that right now, like you're like, well, I don't have time for this. But if you're going to get reward, okay, chances are that maybe at the beginning, it's going to be something like 5, 7 minute walking, maybe 10 minute walking. Okay. After a couple of days, it's going to be a 15-minute walk, a 30-minute walk, an hour walk. And who knows, maybe you're going to be juggling and all this stuff. So, okay, here you're going to see on the newsletter, it's trusted. The reviews so far, over 200,000 ratings on the App Store, 4.6 stars out of 5. On Google Play, you're also going to have 4.4 star out of almost 2 million ratings. Okay. As I mentioned before, Sweatcoin has been the number one app over 70 countries. Just in case that you're wondering, like, which are the countries? Here is the list of all the countries that can use Sweatcoins. Trust me, it's a lot of countries. So no excuses. Is this something that you are like, hey, that sounds like interested? Definitely go for it. Give it a try. As I mentioned before, this app has been around since 2022. So it has been around for a couple of time right now. Okay. Here you're going to see that you're going to have, you can have fun. You can complete challenge. You can collect batches. And you can join a community of movers that turn their step into gadgets, digital subscription, travel vouchers, or even crypto. Okay. Right now it says like, yes, anti-gravity yoga is on the list. Okay. So if you go to the Instagram, if you really want to be updated with this, you can notice that every now and then they have what we call like the main prizes. For example, right now you have new super draw, 2 Apple Watches, okay, plus the AirPod Pros, okay. This is, well, like I'm recording this video, is actually 2025. I'm telling because I know that there are going to be people in the future who are going to be watching it. So go to their social networks to see what's actually what they have right now. So here you have until February 15th, 2 lucky winners are going to get it. Okay. So literally great prices if you are actually interested. So how you can buy entries with your sweat coins, you can open your sweat coin app. One entry, it's 2 sweat coins. More entries, more chances to win. So that's actually a great way. And to go with the AirPods, follow them on Instagram. Okay, tap your Jappy buddy in the comments as much as you want. Okay, so here you're gonna have some information about the app, how the app actually looks like, how the terms. Remember that this can change in the future. Layouts are things that are actually changing. So, and depending on the device, it can change a little bit because it can look a little bit different on Android and iOS. But definitely it is. You're gonna have the Super Draw. That's the one that I showed you before. It's twice a month. You have the opportunity to join the Super Draw and complete everything for your dream trips and dream cars. Everyone can literally be part of it. They have the scratch cards. Okay, this is the all about walking hits 2,000 steps, and check the rewards hub to claim your daily scratch cards and reveal your prizes. So here you can be part of the club and challenges, compete, win others to reach the steps goals and build your community. Top 100 climbed to the invite leaderboard, and once on the top 100, withdraw exclusive cash rewards. Okay, cash actually rewards. You can also be part of the influencer program. You can invite at least 20 friends to download sweat coins because you can become one of the influencer and get paid to invite people. Okay, so cool things, cool prices that they have. This is a community that is actually pretty active, as you can see actually here. Okay, they have been around for a really long time, so definitely it's gonna be helping you in 2 ways: earn money, and it's gonna be helping you with your um, with your health. Different ways to redeem. You can also donate steps to charity. Okay, and again, here they actually talk about data privacy and the fact that you know people who use sweat coins and they create these habits are going to be you know um, creating these habits, earn rewards, and be a little bit more health. They partner with governments and all the stuff here. And again, download the app. By the way, guys, this is not my number one recommendation to make money online. This is, yeah, a way to earn money. But if you want something different, I mean, life-changing money, and you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. If you're looking to earn way more than you can earn with Sweatcoin, and by the way, you can use Sweatcoin. Okay, I'm not telling you it's actually bad. It's a great idea, and that's the reason why I'm actually showing it to you. But if you're looking, to do something extra, um, you know, even have the opportunity if you want to replace your full-time job in the future, check the very first link in the description. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to your channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.